smells super nice here. What's there?
You put 4K, ID, everything?
Who make all the time video nowadays, love? It's me. It's me. Even I woke up, I start making video, guys. Alexa, stop. And honey, smells super nice. What is this smell? You make something for you or what?
Yeah, this just with
Oh, it's pepper smell then. You put pepper.
oregano.
Oh, okay. Where is your food? What you are gonna eat?
Look,
Oh.
I'm telling you.
Tomato pasta. Oh.
You want?
No.
Well, you're
Tomato
never
pasta. You even didn't ask me. Yeah.
You never really moved to eat food at this time. You always gonna have restaurant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, उठ गए हैं. Just उठे ही हैं. अभी मेरे को दूध वगैरह भी खत्म हो रहा है. घर की ग्रोसरी करके लेके आनी है.
My husband made his breakfast this morning. No, not this morning. This week 2 times. So he's letting me know he changed his diet.
Yes.
Now he put just 1 spoon of sugar, and it's just 1 slice of bread. Sorry, Lo.
No, it's not about.
No, sorry, Lo. Please, sorry, Lo. I should
It's
not
okay.
put 2. Okay?
No, I am just letting you know that if you give me coffee,
You're on diet.
no, I'm not on diet, but I start consuming less sugar.
Okay.
Yeah, because I know I love with two spoon. I love it. This is the perfect, and I am like avoiding now to consuming sugar and so much of because I really wanna lose weight. Low, you know me. I got 110 kg.
Like when we was in Thailand.
We was in Thailand, and I really feeling problem in my knees.
Okay, we will fix it then.
So I will gonna lose the weight.
Okay.
अटैक बेटे किस चीज पे अटैक करेगा किस चीज पे अटैक करेगा
This is?
वेयर वी आर गोइंग फर्स्ट
Oh, papaya?
एवोकाडो
Avocado?
डू वी नीड टू ईट इमीडिएटली और नो
Yes, because we don't have money.
ओके पपीता भी ले ले भाई पपीता ले ले पपीते आज लेकिन बढ़िया नहीं है बेकार बेकार से हैं लेकिन एक तो लेना ही है वी डोंट हैव पपाया एट होम
See?
देन हनी वी डोंट हैव द बेटर ओह नो 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 नो
We don't have like, I mean, we have, but not so. We
देन
have here, but it's green.
but we have for how many days at home
No, maybe just 3.
just 3
Yeah.
then take this it will be good in 3 days this one oh but it's small now
But
it's super
okay,
small
though.
then it's also good
Okay.
this
Then
one
good.
why are you laughing tell me explain
No,
today why
because I thought she was looking at our card and she was taking the papaya.
yeah she will why she will look at you
No, me, the card. I was thinking maybe I
don't
need to fight.
misunderstand sometimes okay don't fight with anyone here you understand without telling oh honey they put some I think something to shine right
This thing I was telling you.
oh yeah they put something
So
and
looks
then
like more nice.
I will not do it.
But honey, this thing happen everywhere, I think so. So at the end we just need to wash it
but I will take
properly.
the regular
Okay.
maybe they don't have this no
Which one you want?
I want dark oof I want dark rose
Okay.
so we are forced to get the big one why are you look super serious today what happened
No, I'm just laughing this woman who said, you remember?
at her Why are you laughing at her?
I'm not laughing at her.
Then. Okay. Flash is not important now. You always put the flash. If someone is coming, you are bothering with the flash.
Yeah, complain little bit more.
But why we need flash? You always put the flash.
To bother you, to bother you. Okay, assistant, just go.
Go here.
They have these boxes there.
For salt.
Oh.
People like you can steal the little bit salt to put in the house.
Honey, take it.
I'm not from Chile. Why would I take it?
What do you mean? Chile, people from Chile, what?
They are good in stealing.
Who said that?
It's an example.
Example of what?
Example of me.
Like what?
I don't know.
What are you talking?
You don't
You are
understand my
like
joke?
no.
What promise? You steal me. You catch me.
Oh, okay. Oh, you see karma? How act the karma super fast?
It's not-
Just do it fast, assistant. Please.
I call you assistant earlier, so now you are feeling jealous?
No, assistant.
Okay, my assistant, leave the trolley there.
No,
in
where
the back. My assistant, take the 25 cent. Don't forget it. Assistant, come back here. Come back here. Walk yourself. What the hell, Pete?
Can you take me?
My assistant,
Can you take me?
my assistant, you will gonna behave, right? Okay, go. Go. You wanna go, right? Go. Guys, he's coming back. पीछे पीछे आ रही है, इसे रुको नहीं जा रहा. No, go. You
Open
go.
the door.
No, how you are talking to me? Ask me respectfully.
Do you think people this is nice? You make me run from there. Honey, there are some people coming. Open.
Okay, assistant, thanks.
I get super tired. And I
You know
think-
why now she was not happy?
Why?
Because she was tired today. And when she
Maybe she was just not in mood.
will... No, she was tired. I asked her, what happened to you? Why you are like super silent today? And she's like, no, I'm super tired. It was very busy here. And when she will gonna go home, you know what will
What?
gonna happen? 101%. She will gonna fight with her husband.
How you know that?
Honey, how? She looks super upset today, tired. She will gonna make big fight, big drama, and she will be like, yeah! Bring me some chop! Give me some chop! See, yeah, see.
Some noodles.
Huh? Some noodle, yeah. Bring me chop! Ah! See, yeah. That's true. She will gonna fight like crazy when she will gonna- Why you yeah?
She was like, like that.
Yeah. Because no, maybe it was what day was that today? Saturday, right? Oh, Saturday.
Yeah.
So maybe
More
it's
people,
weekend.
yeah.
So
Is
they
why.
put her on Saturday, and she's not happy.
So now you can expect how I will come back home after work also.
I don't care. What the hell? You don't take anything from you. Remember this also in your life, love. Don't
Behave.
You behave,
Be
love.
in your limits.
Who are you? You are 1% of the woman. What the hell you are talking about now? You are like poor woman? No, you are not.
Yeah.
I will not even let you think like that.
He's
Remember
super
this.
smart how he changed what he was saying. He's super smart.
Honey, what do you mean? You are recording. First of all, I don't realize you are recording. Second thing is, you are from 1% of the women
Okay.
who are the alpha woman.
Yeah.
So don't be like, I will come home after work and I will be like, no,
No.
manager, no.
No.
Remember this.
Okay.
You need to behave nice.
If I feel like that, I will charge the people who where I will work.
Yeah, of course, not.
Like,
not-
¿qué les pasa a ustedes?
Yeah,
¿Ah?
nothing at home. Remember this, you know.
Okay.
I never give you stress from my personal life, my work life. I always give you. If I will give you stress, for what?
For what?
When you got like crazy.
When I'm like that.
You are like that when you need sugar and I don't give you sugar.
Where are my cookies?
In the bag.
You didn't bring me?
I get you one Oreo. Stop it. Stop it.
What you still with snowshoes?
But honey, outside the
Honey, outside no snow.
outside the home, it's slippery. I mean no slippery. It's wet.
It's
My
slip-
shoes will gonna get dirty.
Okay.
क्या करके क्या अगर अपना शावर वगैरह ले लिया फ्रेश एकदम मजेदार झकास ठीक है और पिट्ठा इब्ती आया नहीं अपना शावर लेके जब तक आपा थोड़ी ले मसाज साथ में देखा थोड़ी न्यूज पीछे न्यूज चल रही है ये रही और न्यूज ओ पिट्ठा आएगा पिट्ठे
Hello.
देन लेट्स गो
Enjoy Mahat.
No. I was in mood to sit here while I was waiting for you. But if you are already here, let's go. चलते हैं guys. और अपना घर आ जाओ भूख ला गई करड़ी हाँ मैं कुछ guys हम पहुंच चुके हैं घर और जैसा कि हम सामान खरीद के लाए थे अब हम सामान को कर देते हैं सेट घर में सारे को ठीक है ना पिट्ठे पुट द योगर्ट लो and as well put the milk.
We need also the container for the milk is there.
Okay, I will give you no problem.
Oops.
सारा सामान फिक्स कर देंगे भाई अभी के भी here you go. Yeah, perfect. और यहाँ खाना गर्म हो रहा है और ये नान गर्म हो रहे हैं संतोष मेरी नानी का नाम है नानी तेरे नाम के नान बना दिए हैं ठीक है ना पिट्ठे
No.
Okay, I will also leave it in that room.
Yes.
Wet wipe.
And then I need one.
Wet wipe. Okay. और guys, मेरा बॉडी वॉश खत्म हो गया था मैं नया ले आया हूँ चारकोल प्लस के लिए ठीक है ना लहसुन जो कि मैं सबसे ज्यादा जो कि मैं कॉफी में डालता हूँ ठीक है इसको रख देता हूँ फिलहाल के लिए अंदर ये रख दे नान भी जाएंगे अंदर और गिव मी माय सैलेड और मेरी सैलेड जाएगी 2 टमाटरों के पास गिव मी टोमेटो लो पपाया आउटसाइड
Okay.
और ये सेब है जो कि हनी डू यू ईट एप्पल
I like more green apple.
बट यू ईट दिस एप्पल एवर और ग्रीन एप्पल हेयर
No.
नो सो टेक्निकली आई एम द वन हु इज ईटिंग ऑल द एप्पल ऑलवेज
Yeah.
ओके ये चेहरे की जो लाली है ना ये सेब का कमाल है सेब खाता हूँ डेली ठीक है ना ये नमक है टाटा का तो मिलता नहीं है टेबल सॉल्ट आयोडाइज्ड ये है मिस्टर गोदास एंड और क्या दिखाऊं आपको मैं पिट्ठे से समथिंग गिव मी सम कंटेंट
I give you already enough content.
मोर आई नीड मोर
You leave me there running behind the car.
You still remember this? Forget this. Give me something else.
Honey, I don't know.